Hey team, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to be addressing some of the gyro issues you're probably running into. Right, so quick backtrack. The gyro sensor measures the hub's yaw, pitch, and roll. Right, essentially how much it turns amongst each of its axes. Right, the sensor measures the rate of rotation in degrees per second, and the sensor keeps track of total rotational angle and lets you measure how far your robot has turned, right? So these are the three problems that you're most likely encountering: drift, lag, and total degrees. So if you're experiencing gyro drift, your readings keep changing even when your robot is still. Now again, this sensor is way better than the EV3 gyro sensors, meaning that it's not only more accurate, it's also integrated. So you're going to experience these less, but you're still definitely going to have to, work around them a little bit. So for drift, your readings keep changing when your robot is still. So even if your robot is still staying still, not moving whatsoever, your sensor could be reading that it is moving a little bit. So you're going to have trouble getting your turns to be accurate. Lag. Your readings are delayed. Meaning, if you say turn to the right 90 degrees, there's going to be a slight delay between your robot turning and the sensor actually measuring the 90 degrees and then relaying that message that you're hit 90 degrees and you have to stop. Right, so that's why you were probably experiencing we're going to have to play with that number to get to the turn to a perfect 90 degree. And then lastly, total degrees. So your sensor is reading the total degrees turned. Right, so if you're turning to the right 90 degrees, and then you turn to the right again 90, and then again 90, and then again 90. If you just put 90 degrees 4 times, like you're going around a square, it's not going to recognize that because the sensor is already at 90. So unless we use this workaround, you would have to add the degree of your turn every single time. So instead of the first one would be 90, then 180, then 270, then 360. I don't know about you. I don't want to use that much math, right? So the answer to all of our problems, and some of you may have seen that already, is going to be the set yaw angle to 0. And I'm going to show you how we utilize that in the next video. All right, hopefully that helps. Good luck.